Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to mail merge from Excel to a Word document. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. Let's say that we have presented with the following information such as name, company, country, email, and mobile. That we need to fill up a form in a Word document that needs the following information to fill it out. The first thing that we need to do is to click select recipient, use an existing list, and what we need to do is to locate the file name of our Excel document, which is the following. Hit open, and from there, what we need to do here is to wait for it to merge because it's currently merging. And as you can see here, what we need to do is to press OK. And from there, now let's head on over to name, and we will fill up the following. Click the space between name, insert merge field, select name, insert. Then company, click company, insert. Country, insert merge field, country, and so on and so forth. And as you can see here, it might seem that this is not what the data that we need to see, or this is not the data that we need to be filled out. The first thing that we need to do in order for us to see the real information or the real data is to head on over to preview results. And as you can see here, it is all aligned with the Excel document that we've merged together. AFL1@gmail.com 123, AFL1@gmail.com and 123, and so on and so forth until we reached the sixth data, which is EKP5@gmail.com and 112. And that's how you merge file documents from Excel to Word. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.